All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect UpCloud to YACSS. So you start off by searching for UpClouds and click on this link. Strong in Nordics, hello Sweden. I'm not from Sweden, I'm from Denmark. Whatever, you click on sign up. I'm not going to walk you through that. Just sign up. I signed up already, so I log in. So this is what it looks like when I log in. So I click on object storage and I click on create object storage, and the region is selected for me, Euro 1, FIL2. Actually, it doesn't look like I can actually create another region anyway. So give it a name down here, my instance, whatever, create object storage. So this is the storage that I just added, and so I click into it. And what I need to do now is I need to copy the host name and the region. But first, let me add a user. I just need to open a notepad here. So I need to add a user. Super user. I click add, and then I click access key. I just type in called key. I click generate, copy the access key, copy the secret key, and I click close. So I go to overview. I copy the host name here, as you can see, and then I go over to YACSS, click on Clouds Connectivity, scroll down, click on UpClouds, add new, select my client, select my name. You can name it whatever you want. UpCloud Jesper. I always give it the name of the cloud, and then the name of the client, host name, region was HEL2, key was this, and secret key was this. Good. Click save. And let's now test it. So let's make a wonderful website, AI websites. Let's call it UpCloud test. What is link building in SEO? 1. Good. What is link building in SEO? Want an article, and I want to click to generate. So now I'm generating a one-page site. I think I forgot to add images, but anyway, doesn't really matter. Let's wait to see what will happen. So now it's done, and let's check it out. It's a little bit boring. It's a lot of text, but yeah. So let's click upload to UpCloud. And the client is Jesper. Account is UpCloud Jesper. And buckets. UpCloud testing 1, 2, 3. Great. And uploads. And let's see what happens. Okay, it seems to be already done. Good. Yeah, so that was extremely fast. So that's a pleasant surprise with UpCloud, is that it is super fast. So it's done and it's working. And here are the questions. And let's inspect the specifications of this guy here. So it has a domain authority of 18 and a page authority of 26, and gives do follow links. So that was the connection of UpCloud.